Hey, welcome to vCard, and I am Ritesh, and in this video I am going to take you through the journey of what vCard is all about. You will get to know its potential, its capabilities, and how it functions from the inside. So let's take a look at it. First is the dashboard. Whenever you will sign up process is pretty much easier. You just have to put in your username, email ID, and just a password, and that's it. You will get a confirmation link, confirm it, and log in. That's it. Now when you will get inside the dashboard, you might not see these numbers because we have to create these cards so that the number can be seen here. Suppose my card, I have created 5 cards, that is why it is here, and then I have added many product and service, testimonial and portfolio, many others. So this is the basic dashboard, and you can see here your plan expiry date and the remaining days. You will have access to each and everything of this tool. Now let's go to see some of our card that we have created over time in this certain particular account. You can see many here. Let's go to this first one. Now here, as you can see, it's a simple card that anyone can send to anyone, and they will have their phone number, email ID, their WhatsApp, their website, their location, and they can even add to their phone book. As you can see, it is the phone book option. And now here is the QR code, and if they have something to ask you, they can simply fill the inquiry form, and this particular form will directly be delivered to your email that you have put here, like info@dyna whatever it is, to this particular email. So it's pretty much simple. You put the email here. If someone tries to contact you, the message will automatically be delivered to the certain email that you have put here. Now let's go to the second one. Here you can see it is just the basic, don't worry about it. Here is the Bansi Mehta, and you can see it can write a short bio and a little bit of description about what this card is all about. And you can see here she has only 5 links, but here, as you can see, it has around 8 links. So you can attach as many links as you want. You don't have to worry about it, and whenever you will share it to anyone can access any of your account, whatever you want to share them. Fact is, you can also share your product and service. Now you can give a description also, and as they want to check it out, you can put a button here of inquiry, and they can actually check your sales page out, or they can make a purchase, whatever it can be. Here is the QR code and the inquiry form. Now what's more in this tool is here. It has simple diagram with name, with bio and description, simple links. But let me take you down. You can see it's the product and service. Well, you have seen it, but there is one more thing, which is portfolio. And now he has gallery and testimonial as well. And then simple QR code and the inquiry form. Whenever someone will open it on their phone, it doesn't look like a card. It's completely look like a landing page, and this is just more than enough to close anyone at any moment of life, right? Now if I come here back, you have seen the card and the potential of what this tool can do. Now I want to show you how you can create some of these by yourself whenever you sign up inside. You can see here product and service. If I go here, it means you can see here there are many product and service right here. And if I change the account, then you see the product is not anymore, because different accounts can have different product and service, and you have to choose under which account you have to create product and service. Like it's dial-in. Okay, so if I create one here, it will be shown right here. You can see there is no product, but if I create here, the product will be shown there. And same goes for portfolio, same goes for gallery, and same goes for testimonial. So it's simple as that. Now if I suppose here I choose Bhaskar Mehta, you may see that we have uploaded several photos here, and that is why you are watching this certain gallery right here. Okay, so this is what this tool is all about, and don't worry about it. You will get to know how you can create these things. It's very easy. You just have to play around with it, and you will get used to it very fast. I hope to see you inside. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.